Meow meow! Meow meow! 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 Meow meow! Good afternoon, everyone! Bukas, balik na tayo sa Crocodile Farm. Butahan na para sa impeachment at alam ko, katulad ng sinabi ni Vice Mayor Harold, may mga boboto ng yes, mayayaman na naman, pero para sa atin, syempre, no vote tayo dahil ang kinabukasan ng Pilipinas ay Duterte 2028. Mukhang sure win na ang Duterte sa Cebu and sure win na sila sa Cavite. But we have to expand, we have to grow our numbers. Today, ang dami natin, bukas, mas madami pa tayo. And sa 2028, sure win na, landslide victory tayo. So to everyone here, thank you for joining, thank you for showing your support. We will fight for our future, we will die for our future, but we will create a good future for our country. Thank you, Duterte 2028. God bless.